Again. So guys, in this video we will see fix Pluto TV not working, freezing and playback issues. So guys, if you face this type of issues, so yeah guys, you just follow this video. The common reason is poor Wi-Fi, slow internet, cache, outdated app, and device may be not updated and the device glitch. So to fix this, first of all you check your internet connection. So guys, make sure that your Wi-Fi is properly connected to your internet. Okay, then check the internet speed. So guys, Pluto TV recommended at least 3 MB for SD card and 5 MB for SD. Not the SD card, is SD standard. Then run a speed test at the speedtest.net. Then close and restart your app. Sometimes simple restart also resolve these minor glitches. Also clear cache. Clearing cache, simply go to the Android settings where you clear the browser cache and the cookies. Also update your device and app, so make sure your device and your tvOS is up to date. Also turn off the VPN, the proxy, disable the VPN or the proxy, then try to resetting your DNS to Google DNS. Okay, and restart your device. So restart your phone, computer or streaming devices. Then reinstall the Pluto TV app, uninstall the app, reinstall from the apps store and try again. Okay, then guys, device specific tip. So guys, for Roku, go to the setting system, then Fire TV, simply go to the setting my Fire TV Android and go to the settings. Also go to the settings, system restart, close the background app and restart your devices. And browser tips, use the latest version of the Chrome, Edge, Fire or the Safari. Disable your extension using the ad blocker, VPN and try again. And guys, you also try incognito and the private mode, allow third party for cookies, Pluto TVs. Still freeze, so lower the video quality, avoid peak hours, use wired connection and try a different device to check the issues persist is specific device or not. So guys, thank you and have a nice days. If nothing works, so you go for the support team. So these are the things that you can try. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information. I hope this video is very helpful for you. This is the page of support. Okay, thank you.